I ordered these and boxed it 12-inch Lazy Susan turntables for my client's new kitchen and butler's pantry. Designed in a mid-century modern style, I think the acacia accent will look fabulous in there. My plan is to use them on some of their white open shelving. I think they'll really pop in there. The hardware of these turntables is quite sturdy. I mean, these are the best constructed turntables I've seen on the market. The mechanics are quite intricate. While I normally use acrylic turntables that have sides on them to organize kitchens and pantries, I think these will provide a refreshing look. My plan is to use them to display oils and vinegars, but they can be used to display spices or canned goods or bottled beverages. In fact, you can even use one by your cooktop to display a nice salt and pepper shaker, or on a dining room hutch to display some glassware. The wood on these turntables looks fabulous, and the craftsmanship is like no other that I've seen. For this reason, I recommend getting a set of these to use in your own pantry or in your cabinets, or even to display as a tray on your counter. I know I'll certainly be ordering more of these for other upcoming projects.